I have my neighbors there outside. They are super loud, so I brought my mimosa with me, and I'm gonna hope everything's gonna work out as it should. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sasha, and in today's video I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. It's gonna be a little bit like a summery makeup tutorial. It's something I am very excited to do for this summer season, although right now we have very rainy weather, so not cool. It's gonna be like a glossy eyes, glowy skin, and bright lip. Basically your typical summer makeup. I just love that type of look, so hopefully you're gonna love it too. It's gonna be hopefully super easy and super fast because that's how I like to do my makeup. And yeah, another thing I want to mention is that I have a cold, so maybe you can hear it on my voice. So if I sound a little bit like mumbly and stuffy and stuff like that, I apologize in advance. I cannot do anything about it. So let's start it, shall we? So I have already prepped my skin, meaning I did all my skincare, I put my moisturizer on. So basically it's ready for the first step, and it's a primer. And it's not gonna be any surprise that I'm gonna be using my backup primer that's very like a glowing base as well. I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers because that's how I like to do it. The reason why I'm applying the base is because I'm planning to use very sheer coverage. I usually don't like very heavy coverage in the summer months or in general in Miami. So hopefully this will make my BB cream, which I'm gonna use right after the primer, stay much longer. So what I want to use on my skin is the Herborian CC cream. It's my absolute favorite thing to use on basically any kind of day. And again, I'm applying it with my fingers because it's just the easiest thing to do, since it looks like this. It has like pieces of pigments inside, so it's gonna change the color. So that's why I like to apply it with my fingers. I don't trust the brush, to be honest, with this product. And so the next thing we're gonna apply is our concealer, and I'm gonna apply it underneath my eyes and if I have any imperfections. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and I'm gonna blend it all. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Laura Mercier setting powder, and like really just a little bit. As you can see, it's not a lot. And I'm just gonna swirl my brush in it and apply it where I apply the concealer. So that means underneath my eyes, over my eyelids, just prime them. I don't really use a primer, I just use my concealer and the powder to prime my eyes and even out the skin tone on my lids. And whatever's left on my brush, I just go over my face. Next step, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna do just what I'm doing all the time. And I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think this is a brow wiz, yes I'm right, and taupe, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. It's nothing too fancy schmancy, it's just easy and quick. And now the fun part starts, at least the fun part for me. I am gonna do my eyes, and what I want for my eye makeup is to be very like glossy, fresh, glowy. So the first thing I'm gonna apply is, this is the Becca Opal in a liquid form. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a lot on my eyelids. And now I'm just gonna dab it in. The next step I am doing is I am taking it quite densely packed brush, and I'm gonna apply a highlighter on my eyelid. And what highlighter I'm applying, I cannot show you because it's absolutely shattered, but it's again Opal by Becca. It's just in its powder form. And now I'm gonna apply the powder over the liquid base. Of course you can use like a nice shimmery eyeshadow for this, but for some reason I feel like highlighter is better. I don't know why. Next step is gonna be my Smashbox eyeliner. If you want to, you can do a nice cat eye with this. It would look amazing, but for some reason I just don't like the eyeliner on me right now. So I'm just gonna tied my timeline with this, and this just constantly changed your eyes. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna use mascara by Buxom, and it's called Big Tease, and I have to admit I really like this mascara. I really much prefer volumizing mascaras over lengthening mascaras, so this one is exactly what I like. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of color back into my face by using my current favorite bronzer. Oh, sun came out! How beautiful! For a blusher, I'm just gonna use my usual combination. And now for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the YSL Touche Eclat powder, which you can use as a powder. I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. As you can see, it works as a highlighter. You can use it as an illuminating powder, or you can use it as a highlighter. I love to use it as a highlighter because it has basically like no shimmer, nothing. It really looks like a nice glow. But if you want something more intense, of course you can layer it. You know what, just for the sake of it, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of Becca Opal on the top. Whoa, okay, this is intense. It's a little bit less natural, but it's still beautiful. And then lastly, I promised you a bold lip, so we're going in with Lancome Matte Shaker in Magic Orange. And this is how it looks with the lip on. I'm absolutely loving matte shakers. You could see them also in my favorites. If you want to know why I love them, just head on and click on the video, and you're gonna have all the information over there. But the last thing for this makeup look is the setting spray, and I'm gonna use the Supergoop Setting Mist, which has also SPF. It's a summer makeup look, so we need the SPF, and if it's an SPF and setting spray in one, it's just perfect combination for summer. So, and this is the finished look. This is my absolute favorite type of summer makeup: bold lip, glossy eyes, and glowy skin. And I'm ready for the summer. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Write me a comment, what is your favorite way of doing makeup in the summer months? And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!